How to update your name servers at register.com. This demo assumes you have a domain name registered through register.com and starts from their home page. Now let's learn how to update our domain name's name server settings. Click Login to sign in to your account. Enter your username and password to log in. In your account dashboard, hover over the domains icon, then click Manage. Click the Manage link next to the domain you want to update. Then in the Domain Name System Servers section, enter your new name servers. Click Continue to confirm the change. That's it! The domain name's name servers have been updated. Please note that it could take up to 24 hours for your new name servers to propagate and be recognized across the Internet. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to update your domain name's name server settings at register.com.